Hi guys, welcome to the fourth lecture of Module 12 of Revit Architecture. This module will be talking about how to sketch stairs, to make custom stairs. So for that we need to go on Architecture tab here, go on Sketch, Stairs here, and then we have one option here, Create Sketch. Click on that. So now first we need to select the boundary. First we have to make the boundary. For custom stair we need some different uh, boundaries. So for that we'll make one boundary here like this, then we'll trim that afterwards. Okay, and then I'll do an offset here. Offset of, I need a run width of at least 1.5. Okay. Yeah, so now I'll make one curve here. Here you can see this, and do it the other way also. I'll keep this for now, and now I'll trim the rest of the part. For trimming, I need to go on, I'll press here, just trim this. Yeah, so now you can see custom chair boundary has been made. Now to add the riser, I need to click on riser here. And first riser I'll start from here. Yeah, and then I'll use the offset point here, offset here, and I'll use the offset of, I need the this I'll keep this as 150 for now. So I'll do it. I'll extend this into that. Afterwards we can trim it. Now then, okay, you need to make sure that you hover upwards, not the downwards, because already stair has been, riser has been made before. So you need to make sure that you hover above the riser which was being made, like this, and then first I'll again, and then riser, pick line, and then 50. Here you can see that 5 risers created, 18 remaining. These values are calculated on their own according to the thread thickness and the riser thickness. Need to make sure that you do this very carefully, or else you may have to repeat it again and again. Just keep seeing the count 7 more. Okay, so this has all the rises have been created. So now I'll trim the rest of it. So I'll move it and just press here, and first this, So to delete all this, the extra part here, so I go on trim and extend multiple elements, click on that and just select this line and just select all the slices like this and just can trim it like that. And then once this is ready, just click on finish it. Now you can see this here. This is ready. And then let's go on. So yeah, this is how you sketch, make styles using Sketch. Okay, and you can modify this any way you want, like any design you want. I just do some random shapes for now, but now you have the idea how to make step by step sketch.